Hello, this is a demonstration of the car payment calculator, which is an app that can help you on your next trip to the dealership and prepare you to negotiate for your next vehicle purchase price. So this app contains two main features. One is that it can calculate monthly payments based on the purchase price of the vehicle, and two, that you can also calculate the purchase price of a vehicle based on your desired monthly payments. So let's look first at how this app can calculate monthly payments. So this is a form, and you fill out the basic information about the car, such as the car price, which as an example we'll set as $30,000. Sales tax in our state is approximately 8.675%. Dealer fees usually are something like $100, as well as the plate registration fees. Miscellaneous, this is an optional field, and it's there so that you can also add in other fees, such as the optional 2-year maintenance package that your dealership offers for your vehicle, but we'll just leave that zero. Down payment, say we can offer $5,000. Trade in, we may have an old truck we can trade in, and we can get about $1,000 for that. Term, say 5 years or 60 months. Interest rate, pretty good. We got 2.9%. So these two checkboxes basically give you the option of either applying or not applying the sales tax to the trade-in amount and or dealer fees. So now let's calculate our monthly payment, which comes out to be $479, rounded up. And the second value here is the total interest you'll be paying on this vehicle. And the last value is the total purchase price of the vehicle, including the tax, including the interest, and including all the other fees that we mentioned earlier. So that's pretty much it for the monthly payment calculator. In the full version of this app, you also have the option of saving this data, all of the inputted values as well as the calculated values, by pressing the Save Form Data button. Save as, let's say, what's the $30,000 car? What is that, like a Cadillac? So let's save it as that, and then in order to load that your save data, you can compare save data and you can select your data. So I have 3 things here, 2 that I saved earlier. So let's get our Cadillac loaded up. So you can compare that with other things that we saved earlier, like the Accord or a Civic, and we can compare the monthly payments, which are at the bottom here, as well as all the other values that we played with. So that's it for the monthly payment calculator. Now let's look at calculating the target purchase price of the vehicle. So let's say we've set our budget monthly for car payment to be about $300. $3,300. Sales tax is the same, 8.675%. Dealer fees, 100. Plate registration, 100. Miscellaneous, we'll set that as 0. Down payment, let's say we put down $5,000. Trade-in, we still got that old truck, $1,000. Term, 60 months. Interest rate, let's say 1.9. And let's calculate. So basically, if we want to be paying $300 a month for the next 5 years, the price that you should try to negotiate for is this first value here. This is the car price without the tax, which comes out to be $21,200. Now it also calculates the car price with the tax, which is $23,000. And then also the total price with taxes, with interest, all the fees, everything included, $24,000. Now similarly, we can save this data as well. So let's save this as car 1. Okay, so we can also load this data at a later time by selecting data. See, I have many entries from earlier sessions. So let's select car 1. So that's a $300 monthly payment, and you also get your calculated car price without the tax, with the tax, and total car purchase price. And then we can also compare it with other entries that we made earlier, like this Dodge that I made earlier. And also, this is an entry with a $150 monthly payment. And you can make these comparisons anytime you want with the full version of this app. So thank you for watching, and I hope this app helps you with your next vehicle purchase. Bye-bye.